Olá, meus amores, I'm Tainá and you're watching The Brazil Show. From Rio to Santa Catarina to Fortaleza and everywhere in between, if you're in Brazil and not drinking this, you're seriously missing out. This right here, água de coco, fresh coconut water. After the Caipirinha, this should be named Brazil's national drink. But not the bottled kind, not boxed or pasteurized. I mean straight from the fruit itself. And the best part, every coconut's got its own vibe. Some are sweeter, some have a little saltiness, depends on the tree, the soil, the rain that week. It's alive. You're not just drinking a thing, you're tasting a moment. Old folks drink it, little kids drink it, athletes drink it. It's just part of the vibe here. It's normal. It's everywhere. It's part of Brazilian culture. In Brazil, we drink it because it hits different. You're sweaty, drained, half melted by the sun. This cools you down from the inside out. Feels almost medicinal, but in a chill way. Look at this. No plastic, no branding, no added sugar, one ingredient, nature. This is what your body low-key craves. It's packed with electrolytes, potassium, magnesium, the whole crew. All natural, organic, and best of all, it tastes delicious. So when should you have agua de coco? After a workout, while sitting on the beach on a sunny day, after a wild night out and you're a little bit hungover. Actually, any time is a good time to drink agua de coco. Even with your meals, you can find it almost anywhere. Beach stands, street corners, some guy walking the beach with a cooler and a machete. It only costs like 5 reais, $1 give or take. And the taste, crisp, chili, lightly sweet. So delicious. You take a sip and it's like, okay, I'm alive again. So yeah, if you're in Brazil, make sure to grab an ice cold agua de coco on the beach. You'll love it. I guarantee.
There's nothing like fresh coconut water on a beautiful day like this.
Please subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell, and comment below if you've ever tried agua de coco before or plan to in the future. Até a próxima. Tchau.
This is Brazil.